This is the first one I ever made. It's plywood. It's been sitting out here for a while. I think I used joint compound to fill in all the gaps and cracks and painted it. I'm going to use these old rubber hooks that were bent far too much to get the mugs on. But it worked for quite a while. Then it got better. This is the current one we use, which is like the extra tall version. And it's just some oak, same hooks. The rest of the mugs are in the dishwasher, but that was the second stab at it. And then now these. I think these are a little more reasonable for people to use. Always trying to get better. The first thing is we're going to start off with this pine, which I pre-milled already. Got it all flat all over, nice and ready to go. The next trick is finding the center, which for mine is here, and depending on the thickness and all that jazz of whatever material you're using, this will vary. Then I've marked out the thickness of my material on either side so that the center of this board that's going to be vertical is centered there. And then now we're going to cut it all out. Bandsaw skills aren't that good, but they'll suffice. So with both sides cut, and it should slide together like so.
Like so.
Next would be stain, paint, and hooks. Let's do that.